MacTechGenius, with the unboxing and a review of the Apple TV 3, which was just released from Apple. It offers 1080p content and a new interface. Inside of the box we have the Apple TV 3, which is identical to the Apple TV 2. It has the black elegant design. Next you have the Apple remote, again it is identical to the previous model. You also have the power cord and the manual. On the back of the Apple TV, you have an HDMI port, Ethernet port, optical audio port, power jack and a micro USB port for servicing the Apple TV. When you plug in an Apple TV, you get a simple setup guide you can complete. We will do it now. Here is the new interface, which makes it easier to find what you want. We will also demo Air Mirror with the iPad. Let's watch a demo of a 1080p video with the new Apple TV.
Despicable me.